Welcome to Golden Living Luxury Senior Living Apartment, Columbia, Maryland. Located in heart of Columbia, Maryland, is a one-of-a-kind luxury apartment for independent, active Korean seniors. Live in a clean, modern facility with large, comfortable space. Our clean, modern one-bedroom with living room, bathroom and kitchen, Korean cable channels, common laundry room and Wi-Fi included. Enjoy authentic Korean food prepared by our in-house chef. Enjoy fresh vegetables from our garden, true garden-to-table cuisine. Relax in our outside patio. Enjoy the fresh air with friends and family. Enjoy our spacious lounge area. We offer 24-hour security plus many more amenities. We thank you for letting us share our Golden Living Luxury Living Apartment with you. Golden Living Luxury Senior Living Apartment, Columbia, Maryland. LORIENHEALTHKOREA. LORIENHEALTHKOREA@gmail.com 443-761-1444